Science faculty at Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College for Women, Naukhanda Palace, was established in 1990, which is affiliated with Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. The Department of Botany is well-established department of the college, having research center. Laboratories are spacious, well-furnished, that are loaded with several instruments which are required for practicals of degree students as well as research students. The Department of Botany organized national webinar entitled Current Developments in Mycorrhizal Fungi on 12th March 2021 in this eco-friendly, beautiful college campus. Next slide. Let us see the objectives of the webinar. Mycorrhizal fungi, these are very important. There are several research papers published from the world, and they have shown the importance of mycorrhiza for the crop plants as well as forest plants. Mycorrhiza enhances growth of the crop plants and trees. Mycorrhiza provide better and healthy environment to plant soil. Mycorrhiza actually it is a fungus which occurs in soil. Naturally it is very commonly present in all types of soil. Even in forest soil it occurs. It also occurs in crop soil. Okay. Mycorrhiza increase the plant's ability to uptake nutrients and water. Mycorrhiza helps to increase absorbing area of root surface. These are the objectives of the webinar. This is the college campus. Photograph of college building, and this is the brochure of webinar in botany. Next slide. Principal Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College for Women, Dr. Makhdoom Farooqi sir delivered presidential speech during webinar. To this right side, a large pink flower tree increased beauty of the college campus. This pink flower tree is Cassia angustifolia. Next slide. To the right side, this slide, it is a Dr. Mumtaz Beg, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, conducted the program. And next slide. This is the view, to the right side, this is the view of college campus. And next. This is Sumia Fatima, Professor and Head, Department of Botany, introduced Resource Person of Botany webinar, Professor S.V. Ahire. Next slide. Sumia Fatima is introducing Resource Person of webinar. Next slide. Resource Person of webinar in Botany, Professor S.V. Ahire, Department of Botany, Wadia College, Pune. He has teaching experience of 32 years, book published 3, research projects completed 2. He is a research guide affiliated to Pune University, Pune. Next slide. This is the photograph of college campus. The large sized tree, it is the tree of the 400 years old tree, and it is spread widely. Its botanical name is Ficus bengalensis. Next slide. Next slide. Professor S.V. Ahire started lecture on current developments in mycorrhizal fungi. Next slide. This is the presentation started by resource person of the webinar. Next slide. This photograph showing several types of spores of different types of mycorrhizal fungi which occur in soil, and all these are eco-friendly, helps to human beings, helps to farmers, helps to forest trees. Next slide. Slide is showing organizers during webinar, and to the right side, this is the beautiful beauty of the campus. Next slide. This is one more view of college campus showing stage which is used for several cultural activities of the institute. Next slide. This is second entry gate of college. To the left side, a botanical garden is situated, and to the right side, prayer mosque for all teachers and students is there. Next slide. This is one more view of campus. To the left side, teachers, this is the mosque, gate of the mosque is shown here, and to the left side, teachers of botany and resource person delivering lecture on mycorrhizal fungi during webinar. Next slide. Slide showing total 62 participants joined the webinar in botany. Next slide. College has library which is loaded with thousands of books of various subjects. This is the photograph of botany. To the right side, below showed botanical garden of college campus. Next slide. To the left side in this slide, this is administrative building of college, and to the right side it is the botanical garden. Slide number 22. This is presentation of resource person on mycorrhizae during webinar in botany. Next slide. This is also presentation of resource person. Next. This is Dr. Mumtaz Beg, Assistant Professor in Botany, Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College for Women, Aurangabad, proposed vote of thanks. Let us see the detailed report of the webinar. Department of Botany organized national webinar on current developments in mycorrhizal fungi on 12th March 2021 at 11:30 AM onwards at national level. Next. Padma Shri Fatma Rafiq Zakaria was chief patron. Principal Dr. Makhdoom Farooqi was convener. Professor Vidya Pradhan and Dr. Sumia Fatima was co-convener, and organizing secretary of the webinar was Dr. Beg Mumtaz. Next. Advisory committee of webinar was Dr. Shishti AQAS, Dr. Aisha Durrani and Dr. Sheikh Irfan, IQAC coordinator, Dr. Tanmay Paithankar. Technical committee was Professor Sheikh Yasmin, Dr. Muhammad Mohsin, Dr. Uzma Sheikh and Dr. Siddiqui Bushra Zareen. Registration committee was Dr. Megha Rai and Dr. Qadri Firdoz Bashir. The event was addressed by Principal Dr. Makhdoom Farooqi Sir, Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College for Women, Aurangabad. Total participants registered for webinar was 156. The resource person of webinar was Professor Subhash V. Ahire, Department of Botany, Wadia College, Pune. He delivered lectures on current developments in mycorrhizal research and its benefits to plants and environment. Next slide. The event was addressed by Principal Dr. Makhdoom Farooqi Sir, Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College for Women, Aurangabad. Dr. Mumtaz Beg performed duties of anchoring. Professor Sumia Fatima enlightened the theme of webinar and introduced the resource person of webinar, Professor Subhash Ahire, Pune. At the end of the event, Dr. Mumtaz Beg proposed vote of thanks. Next slide. This view is the botanical garden of Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College for Women, Aurangabad. Next slide. This is the photograph of carpet of dried flowers of the campus. There are several flowering trees in the campus. Campus is very eco-friendly and beautiful. Thank you.